Okay, take two. Try this, didn't work out the first time, so I'll try it again. This is Liking the Covers, 4963. I'm back with another video. Been a little while, but I thought and overthought about what I should do for my first year anniversary. So I came up with a contest. So I'm going to come up with a contest of running a couples cover. I'm liking the covers. An option for a cover theme contest. And what it consists of is your top 5, top 10 is the minimum. Well, you can do a top 5, top 10, or whatever you like. As your favorites couples on covers from the 30s on. I mean, wherever you can find couples, show them off. This contest is going to be for 18 and above. If you're below 18, I have to have your parents' consent because I don't want no entanglements like that. I mean, I don't mind that somebody trying out, but if you're under 18, I gotta have your parents' consent. But this is also going to be for anyone in the U.S., Canada, England, and I think Australia. Yeah, I was letting the wheels turn, but yeah. Also, I like it to be subscribers, which I got. Wow, I am ever so humble of my subscribers. Here lately, since I haven't been making them, I have been watching lots and lots and lots of videos and just overloaded on covers. So I'm surprised that I didn't think of this sooner, of some kind of cover-related kind of contest. I have been now 1 year since the 1st of January with this particular channel on YouTube. I have my other channel, which has been on YouTube now since 2007. And that was the anniversary was the 24th of January. So I got 2 anniversaries really. So, yeah, I'm all over the place, sorry. Now, what I would like is just a video response if you like, or you can put in the comments your top list. Like I say, top 5, top 10, whatever you want, feel comfortable with, show off, whatever you want to pull out and show off your favorite couples. So this is going to be the prize. I don't know why I'm putting a plural on there. Prize for the contest. And these are going to be couple related. This is Amazing Spider-Man 283. This is the Absorbent Man with his gal Titania. Issue 240 of Spectacular. I want to say Peter Parker. The Spectacular Spider-Man 240. Mary Jane and Peter. Another great one of Mary Jane and Spider-Man. This is 241. Smallville number 9. This is the only one I have of Clark and Lana. It had to have Lex Luthor, but Lex Luthor had feelings for Lana too, so she had 2. Be a heck of a lot more. Star Wars number 5. This is the most modern book in this prize package. Star Wars number 5. Princess Leia and Han Solo. Dazzler number 17. Warren the Angel Worthington III, and the Dazzler. You realize that she has had 2 romances, one with Angel and one with Beast? I don't know about any of the newer X-Men. I know that was the older X-Men. I haven't heard what she feels that the younger X-Men are in the present time, but yeah, I haven't heard anything about that from the Dazzler. X-Men number 14. Wolverine. Lip lock with Emma Frost. And Fantastic Four number 317. I like this cover a lot. It's the beginning and the end. So I'm gonna let the contest run for the rest. I mean, through all of February, and if I have, if I want, I'll extend it. I might add more prizes to it. It just depends. So this is going to be part 1 of this particular video. Be back in a sec. Okay, back for part 2 of this video. This is going to be an unboxing or unpackaging. This is the package I got in the mail from KKN Comics. These are the comics that I won in his contest, so I want to share them. By the way, check out KKN when you get the chance. 2 thumbs up, dude. You got, along with, just great content. Great covers. Okay. Some of this got like a packaging thing I do. Similar. Again, I appreciate you running the contest there, Mike. And these are the comics. Gru the Wanderer, number 24. Oh, this is, oh man. Reprint Journey into Mystery 116. This is the Mighty Thor starring in Marvel Spectacular. Wow. Wow. I have never ever owned this. Nice. This is what I was excited about. When I found out I won, I was like, oh man, another Marvel team up. And this is way cool because this goes into the, I think this goes into the 140, and then this goes in after 140, it's 141. But yeah, Marvel team up Spider-Man and Nick Fury. That is just an awesome, explosive cover. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And Batman Detective Comics number 34. This is the last part of the Icarus storyline. And this is the variant, selfie variant cover. X-Force number 30. And the Avengers Operation Hydra. Avengers Assemble. I believe this is the cover swipe of Avengers 16, I want to say. I think it is. But again, Mike, thank you. Thank you very much, man, for running the contest. No, I mean, I just like doing the the videos when I can to support the channels that I enjoy. I mean, you guys just you put so much great content on YouTube. If it was possible to stay, I mean, I am up like 12, 13 hours a day, but in that time I have to sprinkle up, around there to watch and everything. But oh my God, it's just every day I am on here on YouTube to watch and to just enjoy covers. And I do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So enter my contest if you like. Give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Again, you can use the comments for your top 5, top 10 list of your covers. Cover comics covers. And if you like, subscribe if you want. And again, real quick, I got a moment here. I'll take a moment here. This is some people that I recently, this year so far, have subscribed to. To Yui's Comics, Mike SEIF, Seth, Comic DJ, Mel Thompson, Literally Graphic, Nerd Lore, Chris Harris, Marky316, Samuel Hill, Comic Hijinks, Jesse Simpson, Comic Book Ninja, and Canon and Comics. So I haven't been able to check out too much of your videos yet, but I will rectify that. And I will either give you a thumbs up or put a comment or both. So yeah, so before time gets too going, again, thank you for supporting my channel and looking at the books that I have put on there, even though a lot of them are the same thing a lot of YouTubers show. But I do appreciate you taking time to watch, comment, and enjoy some of the stuff that I put in my videos. So appreciate you all. Peace and love. Till next time, this is Liking the Covers 4963. Out for now.